Hello children, in this class we are going to start chapter number 18, that is gerunds. Okay, in the participle chapter you came to know that participle form of verb can be used as adjectives. Look at the example. I was not amused. His speech was boring. Here, amused, boring, these are participle form of verb and they are used as adjectives. Like his speech was boring. How is his speech boring? Boring here, boring is not verb. It is used as adjectives. Now, what is gerund? Gerund is a present participle verb ending in ing which function as a noun. It is a mainly a verb form but not verb. It is in present participle form. Present participle form, the verb contains ing in present participle form and it is used as noun. Then it is called gerund. When present participle form of verb used in a sentence as a noun, we call it a gerund. gerund কাকে বলবো? যখন ভার্বের আইএনজি ফর্ম একটা সেন্টেন্সে ইউজ হবে কিন্তু ভার্ব হিসেবে নয়, নাউন হিসাবে ইউজ হবে, তখন আমরা তাকে জেরান্ড বলবো। লাইক ইট মে বি দ্য সাবজেক্ট, কমপ্লিমেন্ট or object of a sentence or the object of a preposition. Here, look at the example. Seeing is believing. Here, believing is complement. Look at the structure here. Seeing is the subject, is verb, believing object, but it is the complement of seeing, so it is used as complement. Children enjoy making mud castle. Making mud castle, here making is the object of the verb enjoy. Here it is used as an object. She is fond of wearing jewelries. It is the wearing. Wearing is the form which is used as the object of the preposition of. Okay. Next, gerund may also be used adverbally. Like he is going shopping, fishing, riding, swimming, visiting. Here all these all these present participle form of verb are used as adverbally, used as adverb. Like it is tell about us tell us about going, so it is used here as adverb. Next, adjectives and verbs which are always found in combination with a preposition, fond of, interested of, object to, must be followed by a gerund, not by an infinitive. Sometimes we see adjectives and verbs, they are combined with preposition. Like here, fond of, interested in, object to. Here all the fond or interested object, they are followed by a preposition, they combine with preposition. When this form place in the sentence, it must be followed by gerund, not by infinitive. That means it is always followed by a verb form, present participle form of verb. Okay, that contains ing. Like I object to doing it, not to do it. I object to do it, it is the wrong form. The right form is I object to doing it. I am interested in swimming, not in swim, not to swim, interested in swimming. Here interested, this form followed by an objective, followed by a preposition, that is in, and gerund must be placed after that. Who is responsible for? Responsible for, it is also the structure that I told you earlier. So this must be followed by a gerund. Breaking. We are all tired of listening. I am looking forward to meeting your cousins, not to meet. Okay, তাহলে জেরান্ড এখানটাই শেষটাই কি দেখলাম শেষে আচ্ছা কিছু স্ট্রাকচার আমরা দেখতে পাই যেখানে অ্যাডজেক্টিভস এবং ভার্ব তারা প্রিপোজিশনের সঙ্গে কম্বাইন করে, মানে ফলোড বাই প্রিপোজিশন তাদের পরে প্রিপোজিশন বসে, ঠিক আছে। এরকম যদি আমরা স্ট্রাকচার দেখতে পাই তাহলে তারপরে কিন্তু জেরান্ড বসবে, ইনফিনিটিভ বসবে না। যেমন আই অবজেক্ট টু, এখানটায় দেখো অবজেক্ট ইজ এ ভার্ব, এটা এটার পরে বসেছে প্রিপোজিশন টু। এরকম যদি আমরা স্ট্রাকচার দেখি তাহলে তারপরে কিন্তু আইএনজি ফর্ম বসবে। আই এম ইন্টারেস্টেড ইন, এখানে ইন্টারেস্টেড ইন দেখো তারপরে আইএনজি বসেছে। রেসপন্সিবল ফর, তারপরে ব্রেকিং। টায়ার্ড অফ, তারপর লিসেনিং বসেছে। লুকিং ফরওয়ার্ড টু, তারপর মিটিং বসেছে। ওকে, মুভ টু দ্য এক্সারসাইজ। Okay, fill in the blanks with correct form of verb given in the bracket. So if verb form is given in the bracket, you have to write the correct form of verb. We started studying English. The accused persisted in proclaiming his innocence. I am not accustomed to speaking in public. My parents disapprove of us staying out late. The students were rebuked for coming late. She was congratulated by us on passing her examination. Okay, I fill all the blanks. You can do it and check it with my answer. Replace the gerunds with infinitives in the following sentence. The first one has been done for you. Seeing is believing, to see is to believe. Acha, giving, to give is better than to receive. She loves to solve crossword puzzles. Talking too much is not a sign of intelligence. To talk. Next, replace the infinitives in the following sentence with gerunds. Make other necessary changes. The first one has been done for you. Okay, here infinitives are given in the sentence and you have to convert it to gerund. Like, I prefer staying home on Sundays. My neighbor is unable minding her own business. আচ্ছা, নিচে করবে, তারপরে আমার উত্তরের সঙ্গে মিলিয়ে দেখে নেবে। A fun task is given here. You can do it by yourself. Fun corner, work in groups. Each group choose a popular hobby, leisure activity. Here are some examples. Okay, some hobbies are given here. Each group then conduct a survey of the class to find out the popularity of the hobby. In the survey, note down. Okay, it is mainly a class activity. Next, a conversation is given here. You can practice it in your home. Okay, students, that's all for now. Thank you.